What do these beasts have in common? They're loud, they're fast, and they changed American roads forever. Welcome to America on Wheels, your home for everything American cars. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 American muscle cars that made history. At number 5, the Pontiac GTO. Launched in 1964, it's often called the first true muscle car. With a big V8 and bold styling, the GTO sparked a horsepower revolution. Number 4, the Chevy Camaro Z28. Designed to crush the Mustang, the Z28 became a racing legend in the late 60s with its high-revving V8 and aggressive stance. At number 3, the Ford Mustang GT500. Born from Carroll Shelby's vision, this beast combined speed and street appeal, dominating drag strips and movie screens alike. Number 2, the Dodge Charger RT. Big, bold, and unapologetic. The 1968 model with a 426 Hemi engine became an American icon overnight. And finally, number 1, the Chevrolet Chevelle SS 454. A monster on wheels, it packed over 450 horsepower and defined raw American performance in the 70s. Which one is your favourite? Drop it in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to America on Wheels for more powerful classics and modern beasts. Thanks for watching.